And we're going to take the rest of the pressure out, which we didn't do before. And if you want to do smoke signals, you just like that. Why are you laughing at me? Hi, and welcome back to Bear Food Kitchen. If you are new to our channel, please hit the subscribe button. Like us, comment. We would love to hear from you. Click that bell so you get every week's recipe. Today, we are making sweet and sour chicken. So the first thing we're gonna do is we put the Instant Pot on saute to get it good and hot. Basically, it's just a dump and go recipe. The only thing we're gonna do is we're gonna reserve some of the liquid so we can make a slurry with the cornstarch. So the first thing we're gonna do is go ahead and we are gonna add some soy sauce. And a little bit of chicken broth. And we're just dumping it all in. I don't have a little spoon. Add the pineapple. Bell pepper. Really, we're just adding everything. And this is such a, oh, thank you. Look, magically, I have a spoon. Thank you, universe. Now we're adding in a little bit of sesame seed oil, some garlic. Because you're making it at home, you know what I say, you could add whatever you want, as much or as little. I've made this a few times, and I have sauteed the chicken ahead of time and then took it out and then cooked everything, put it back in. You don't need to do that. You could skip browning the meat. And you could go ahead and just dump it all in, stir it up, let it cook 6 minutes. It's going to naturally release for 10, and it's going to be good to go. We'll make our slurry. In the meantime, I had made some rice, so I'll heat up some rice and serve it over some rice. But you could also serve it over the cauliflower rice if you want to have that. So I put in some ketchup. That's going to give it kind of the sweetness and the sour. We also added some vinegar. And you are just going to stir this up. Mix it all in there. It's delicious. I can already smell it. It smells like your favorite Oriental restaurant at home. Now what we're going to do is take some of that liquid and we're going to set it aside for the slurry so it gets nice and thick. Just a little bit out, just like that. Look at that. So delicious. You're really going to want to try this. It's super easy. And then we're adding the chicken. Just like that. Give it a little zhuzh. Get it all mixed in. Just like that. It's really dump and go. You don't have to mix too much. Oh, sorry. Don't forget this. Need that. It's brown sugar. It's a little bit of brown sugar. It's going to give it the sweetness. And so is the pineapple. And then you have that ketchup with the tang and the onions with the bell pepper served over rice, which is the way I like it. It's delicious. So I'm going to go ahead and turn off saute. And I'll put the lid on it, cook it for 6 minutes, naturally release for 10, and I'll show you the next step after. I am so excited for you guys to see the finished product. We're gonna go ahead and make this slurry. So first off, we let this naturally release for 10 minutes. Then I went ahead and took out the rest of the pressure that was inside of the Instapot. I'm gonna take off the lid and hit saute, and then it's gonna stay hot while I do the slurry. So we're just gonna take some cornstarch. This is the liquid that I took out earlier. I'm gonna add it to the liquid. And I'm gonna stir it up, and this is gonna make our sauce a little bit thicker, so it coats all the chicken, all the veggies. Look at that. So the reason I took it out before is you really want to add cornstarch to cold liquid. If I put it in the hot liquid, it turns a little bit lumpy, so you don't want to do that. Pour it in. Delicious. Ah, I wish you guys could smell it. Now all these dishes you could go ahead and make vegan. Just get some vegan meat at your grocery store in the frozen section, and just use the same recipe. Just use vegan chicken. It's delicious. And it'll just keep getting thicker and more delicious as it goes. But I'm gonna go ahead and serve some up right now. Oh my gosh. I made some rice, white fluffy rice in the Instapot. You could go to my channel and you could download it and follow the recipe. It comes out perfect every single time. Look at that. Is that delicious? Oh my gosh. And then we're just going to garnish it with some green onion. How's that look? Looks good, right? I'm going to take a bite. I wish you guys were here for this. It's amazing. It has the pineapple. I'm going to get some bell pepper, a little bit of rice and chicken. I'm going to try not to burn my mouth, which I do every time. I'm talking in song. It's hot. It's so delicious. The pineapple is sweet and sour. The ketchup just makes it the sweet and sour sauce. It doesn't taste like ketchup at all. The chicken is cooked perfectly. I really hope you guys try this. I'm going to be eating this whole bowl myself. Please like, comment, subscribe. You can find us on Instagram. And we will see you next time.